foot. Watch your foot. Get your foot on the step. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Wow, look at you. Is that a comfy chair?
No, Harry.
Need help getting down?
Turn around. You come down the same way you went up. Yep. Bring your foot down. There you go. Put your hand right here. There you go.
Okay. So let's practice it all. So this blade right here, it looks like it can go step down, move left or right. There you go.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. That first one's tough. There you go.
Gotta get in line. Get in line, just like the last time.
Right here is I'll get mine right here. No, we have
That's some big machines.
The oil pull.
Big machines.
Wow.
Hi.
Turn around. That's it. There you go. You got it. Good job. Good job.
What do you say? Nice boy.
Thank you.
Thanks.